Here's how easy and affordable it is to find the perfect mattress for you online. Based on your current mattress and sleep style, we'll find the perfect mattress for you without test driving everyone in the showroom. Now, before you toss your old one, figure out what you didn't like. Is it too soft, too firm, or just right? Now let's look at the top of the mattress. Standard mattresses are a tight top with a flat woven finish. Pillow and Euro top mattresses add an additional plush layer. This one is a pillow top. You can narrow down the firmness based on your sleep style. Side sleepers do better with plush to medium. Back sleepers get the best rest with medium. And stomach sleepers need the most support with medium to very firm mattresses. Let's break down the construction. You can choose between tried and true INNERSPRING, contouring memory foam, gel foam, which adds a layer of cool to memory foam for hot sleepers, or the most popular, hybrid spring, which combines the best of both worlds, layers of memory foam over an INNERSPRING base. Have you heard of a bed that comes rolled up in a box? They're great for any bedroom, but especially small spaces because you can move the box in and out of narrow doorways and slim hallways. The mattress is rolled and placed in an easy-to-transport box. Just remove the packaging and this Nora mattress expands to a completely cozy bed. And the best part, the mattress doesn't require a box spring. Thanks for watching, happy shopping, and good night.